Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through changing your server in Valorant. Whether you just want to lower your ping or play with friends in a completely different country, I will show you the methods that work right now. Let's jump right into it. If you were just trying to fix lag or pick a specific city within your current region, you can do this directly in the game lobby. Open Valorant and click the big play button at the top. Look above your player card or banner in the lobby. You will see three small horizontal lines or a signal icon. Click that icon to open the server selector. Here, you will see a list of all servers available in your region, for example, London, Frankfurt, or Paris, along with your ping for each. Simply check the box next to the server with the lowest latency or the one your friends are on. Now, when you queue, the game will prioritize that specific location. Now, if you want to play in a completely different region, like moving from North America to Europe to play with international friends, you cannot just switch a setting. The fastest way is to create a new account. First, close Valorant and the Riot client completely. Turn on a VPN and connect it to the country you want to play in. For example, if you want to play on Tokyo servers, connect your VPN to Japan. Open your web browser in incognito mode and go to the Riot Games sign-up page. Create a brand new account while the VPN is active. Riot will detect the VPN location and permanently lock that new account to that region. Once the account is made, turn off your VPN, as you usually don't need it to play, only to create the account, and log in with the new details. If you have actually moved to a new country permanently and want to bring your main account, skins and all, with you, you must contact Riot Support. Go to the Riot Support website and select Valorant. Look for the article, Changing Your Region of Residence. Log in and check your eligibility. If the system detects you're physically in a new country, it may let you update it automatically. Warning, this process usually resets your rank for the season, but you keep your skins and unlocking progress. And that's it. You now know how to hop servers and cross oceans in Valorant. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.